Hey everybody, so today I'm going to teach you how to make your own toilet paper slash wet wipes. Now keep in mind this is for the truly desperate people who do not have any access to toilet paper or wet wipes amidst the coronavirus outbreak. Go to your local supply store and get a 500 packet of paper. While all the grocery stores are being bought out of toilet paper and wet wipes, I can guarantee you no one is buying paper. So, step 2. Fold paper in half. Rinse it under water. And squeeze all the water out. If you want it a little more damp, don't squeeze as hard. If you want it a little more dry, squeeze as hard as you can. And then, this is important, gently unfold it. Now, you have what is almost the exact same consistency and durability as a wet wipe. This is good for at least 4 or 3 wipes. Wipe, fold, wipe, fold, and so forth. I would make at least 4 just to be safe. Clean your counter. If you have disinfectant, use that to clean it. If not, just clean it as well as you can. Put them next to your toilet so they're all ready to go before you pop squat. Now I have tested this and they work perfectly fine. They seem to flush fine. Actually buy paper from trees. I tried getting this Tree Zero kind here from FedEx, and it's great that it's 100% tree free and all that, but it's derived from sugar cane, and it kind of disintegrates and tears a little bit easier than regular paper. I would just prefer to use the regular paper because it works better, but if you're totally green, trying to save the earth, you know, you can still use this. It's just going to not work as well, but it still does work if this is all that you can get your hands on. There's kind of like a little bit of a slimy feel to it after it got wet, which I'm pretty sure is the sugar cane melting, and I'm not too sure how sanitary sugar is on the butthole. If you're saying to yourself, well, Ryan, I still need to dry myself after I use the wet wipes, you could just go to CVS, get a Snickers bar, and you'll have probably enough wiping paper from that for a good 7 days. If you don't think that's sterile enough, use a trusty hand cloth. You're getting desperate, people, okay? This is if we're getting quarantined, okay? You know, just dry yourself with that, wash it later. And if you can't even get paper from a supply store, try and go to an auto store like Pep Boys. They have this washcloth for cars. For when you're drying your cars, it looks like this. Comes in a bottle like this. And you can use this for all of your wiping needs. It's soft. You can wipe, put on some gloves, and hand wash it in the bathtub and reuse it forever. All you gotta do when it's wet is twist it. All the water comes out, it's ready to use again. Put back in the case, roll it up, put back in the case, close the top, and it's ready to go again as many times as you need. That is if you are very, very desperate. Also remember to please like and share. Try and get this video out as much as you can to people who are in desperate need of toilet paper and can't access it.